Okay, so welcome back to yet another video. This time, I basically just want to show something that I vibe coded. This basically from Friday until today, and today is Sunday. So basically, I started my fractional cold calling business, and one thing that I've been doing so far is just reaching out to people on LinkedIn, just because I'm kind of broke and I don't have the capital to basically buy a setup that I would love to have, and that setup is basically Salesforce plus FrontSpin. But since I don't have the capital right now, I just decided that I will not use a HubSpot free account or whatever free account there is. When I get little capital, I believe that I will invest in clothes and then I'll use it as my first kind of all in one setup. But I was basically really intrigued of the idea to build my own setup, basically my own CRM, and I did it in Google Sheets. Now this setup is not perfect, and I will not share the script or anything because it's like work in progress. But I believe that it's maybe like a waste of time just because it's like a work in progress. But when I get capital, which is hopefully like this week that's coming, then I'll immediately switch to something else. So it was like a fun experiment over the weekend. I kind of learned more about buckets that Ryan Reisert is teaching. So that's really cool. But basically, just want to show you how it works. So you go into a script, app script from your Google Sheets, you basically delete it and then you paste like 1,645 lines of code. Then you save it, you go to setup and you press run. And yeah, it will ask me for permissions. That's okay. Wait. Yeah, here we go. Go to the project, continue, and then it will say that it started. Yeah, and it will build everything. So basically, I will just show you the setup and how it works. So Buckets CRM is ready. So your next step is to go to import, paste your Apollo CSV, run import contacts. You will see what I mean by that. Then you run refresh today's queue to get a list that you will call. You log every single one of your call in log call sheet, and then you have everything break down in your dashboard. So let me just refresh it because first time it's not actually here. So this is your setup. You have today, you have log call, you have contacts, call log, which is basically just like appended list of every single one of your calls. Import, this is where you will import your data. Raw metrics, so just tracking everything raw. And then dashboard is something, so it's like FrontSpin or Salesforce. No, it's a Salesforce inspired dashboard. But let's go to some dummy data so that you can see it in action. You just paste it here. You name it something, whatever. So this is like a naming convention that Ryan uses. So I'm just trying to implement that. Then you import all of your contacts, to edit, no flag DNC and no skips. Okay, go to your today view and then you basically refresh your today view to see everything that you need, every single one of your contacts that you need to call. In contacts, one thing that is not automated is setting up filters, and also in call log you can set it up as well. So just showing you how I think and what's been working for me so far. But basically, you have this CRM ID. You go to log a call. So let's say that I'm calling first person. You will get their data. You will call them, and then you will basically just, I'm calling from channel, a phone, it's a direct, let's say that it's validated, he picked up, and then let's say that I scheduled the meeting. Let's just say after, I don't know, like 5 minutes of conversation. Then you go to your setup, to your functions, my bad, and then you log a call. Here you will see that it's logged. Here you will see basically new update. So pass count is 1, MS, so meaning scheduled. You go to clear, and then let's say that I called our second person after that, and it was again direct, it was validated, and he said, do not call me. Whatever. You log it, it's logged, you clean your form, and then you go to today, and basically it will not refresh. So it's kind of like a manual setup where you have to refresh a lot of things. It's work in progress, so I didn't remove scheduled anywhere. I just built it like in a few hours of work over 3 days. So it will basically be useful until I get my first client, or maybe even first two clients. I don't know. I might put it up to test with a client just to see how it works. But yeah, everything is updated. The it's like priorities are updated automatically. Every call is logged, and then you have all of your data. So import, basically every time you want to import something new, and if you want to have a new campaign, you just go here and, I don't know, new whatever, and then you just paste your data here on top of it. Again, press import, and that's how it works. And then here you have your raw data, and on dashboard, let's actually refresh the dashboard. You have imitation of Salesforce dashboard. But basically here I have some more dummy data that I wanted to show. So basically everything's the same. You just go to, so that's just some dummy data and dashboard. Again, you can see you have 1 in your working, 4 in your priority, 1 is scheduled, 2 nurture, 1 do not call, 1 needs attention. Also, this is something that I wanted to have all the time, like North Star. This is what Ryan is telling us inside of his community, and what he's been teaching, that basically this is what you want to aim for. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Really short video, really niche video, but I've been studying computer science until I dropped out. So I have some background in programming, and vibe coding is kind of like a thing right now. So I just wanted to put my Claude code subscription to a test, and then just basically using some of my skills and a lot of Claude skills, I basically built this just in a weekend. So I will definitely test this setup next week, and hopefully I will get my first client from the USA. Actually, I have a client in Croatia, but looking forward to client in the USA. So hey, yeah, if you enjoyed, drop a like, leave a comment, Tell me if there's something that I missed. I might spend time with this in the future. Uh, Definitely this week I will. That's coming. But moving forward, I believe that I will then build out my setup in Close, and then from there, once I get capital, I will move to Salesforce plus FrontSpin setup. But yeah, that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed, and see you next one. Peace.